Is DBA truly recognized in India? Hello everyone, welcome back to Voice of Doctorate. I'm Dr. Bhana Nigam and today we are deep dive into one of the most confusing topic. Is Indian higher education accept the DBA degree or not? Whether you are working professional looking to advance your career or someone confused between PhD and DBA, this video will give you a complete clarity. So let's get started. First, let's understand what exactly is DBA. DBA stands for Doctorate of Business Administration. It's a professional doctorate degree designed specifically for working professionals who want to advance senior leadership role without leaving their job. Here, carefully listen, without leaving their job. Unlike a traditional PhD, which is research focused and very time demanding, DBA is practice oriented. It combines advanced business theory with real world application. The program typically takes 3 to 4 years to complete and is offered by international universities. The key features of DBA: designed for working professional, focus on practical business solutions, research component based on real business problems, flexible study schedule, internationally recognized. Sounds perfect, right? Well, here is where it gets complicated in Indian context. Here, the bombshell. UGC does not recognize most DBA programs, specifically online ones. According to the official source of the DBA program are not recognized by UGC due to the requirement of hands-on training and the research supervision that UGC believe cannot effectively delivered online. What this means, you cannot use DBA for government jobs requiring a doctorate qualification. Most Indian universities won't accept DBA as equivalent to PhD for teaching position. Some employers might not recognize it as the doctoral degree. But wait, before you panic, there are important exceptions and workouts. Here is what most people don't know. DBA can be valid in India under specific conditions. First, WES recognition. If your DBA is from WES, recognized international university, it gains credibility globally. Many multinational companies and private organizations accept WES recognized degrees. 2. Dual degree programs. IIM Sambalpur offers pioneer dual degree programs, executive PhD and DBA. This is India's first such initiative and carries more weight domestically. Third, corporate recognition. Many private companies, specifically MNCs, recognize DBA degree for senior leadership position, promotion and salary increments. Fourth, accreditation. Accreditation matters. DBA from the universities with AACSB accreditation are generally well respected in the business world. So now let me clear the biggest confusion, the DBA versus PhD. PhD, highly research oriented, generates new knowledge and theory, typically requires 4 to 7 years, focus on academic career, UGC recognized in India, whereas DBA, practice oriented, research solves real business problems, takes 3 to 4 years duration, focus on executive leadership variables, recognized in India. Think of it this way. PhD makes you a researcher, DBA makes you a senior business leader. Both are doctoral degrees but serves different purpose. Who should consider DBA? DBA is ideal for senior managers with 10 plus years of experience, professional targeting C-suite positions, those in MNCs or private sectors, people who can't leave work for full time, entrepreneurs wanting advanced business knowledge, and DBA is not suitable for fresh graduates, those wanting government teaching jobs, people seeking for purely academic career, those needing UGC recognized specifically. Remember, your career goal should determine your choice, not just a degree. Choose DBA if you are in senior management. Your target company recognize international degrees. You want practical business skills. You can't commit to full-time study. Before enrolling to the DBA program, ask this question to the university. Where's recognition? What accreditation does it have? Will my target employer recognize this degree? What is the job market like DBA graduate in my field? The key is aligning your degree choice with your career goal, not just following the trend. To answer your original question, is DBA truly recognized in India? The answer is it depends. For corporate leadership role, specifically private sector, MNC, yes. If it is from a right institution. For government jobs, academic position and anything required UGC recognition, no, in most cases. The bottom line, do your homework, research the specific university, check employer preference in your industry and most importantly, align your choice with your career goal, not just degree prestige. If this video helped clear your confusion, please hit like button and subscribe for more career guidance content. Drop a comment below. Are you considering a DBA? What is your biggest concern about its recognition? I read every comment and I will help you personally. And if you found this valuable, share it with someone who might be facing the same dilemma. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.